Hello, this is Mohammed from TLB Station. We begin with Ctrl+C. It copies the selected text. Then Ctrl+V to paste the text we copied. Next, we have Ctrl+X, which cuts the selected text, removing it from its original location so you can paste it elsewhere using Ctrl+V. And we use Ctrl+A to select all the text in the document. So we have a file here, let's delete it. After deleting it, we can use Ctrl+Z to undo the last operation, and here it comes again. And we can use Ctrl+Y to redo the last operation, and now it's gone again. Note that this works only for deleting with Delete button, not with Shift+Delete. Now we have Ctrl+Shift+N. This creates a new folder ready to be named. And we can use F2 to rename a folder or file. And we use Shift+Delete to permanently delete a file or folder. Once you click OK, there is no returning back. Next, we have Ctrl+Shift+Escape. It opens the Task Manager to manage tasks or troubleshoot a frozen application. For gamers, Windows key+G opens the game bar, where you can record gameplay or take screenshots. If you prefer to dictate rather than type, press Windows key+H to activate speech to text, which converts your spoken words into text. This is an example. Need to add emojis to your messages? Press Windows key+period or Windows key+semicolon to open the emoji panel and choose from a variety of emojis to express yourself. If you need to take a screenshot of a specific part of your screen, press Windows key+Shift+S. This opens the snipping tool, allowing you to select the exact area you want to capture. You can choose from various snip types: rectangular, freeform, window, or full screen. It can also be used to record your screen. Once you've made your selection, the screenshot is automatically copied to your clipboard, so you can easily paste it anywhere. To capture your entire screen, press Windows key+Print Screen button, which saves the screenshot directly to your Pictures folder. For quick searching, press the Windows key+S or Windows key+Q to open the search bar, where you can find files, apps, or settings. For security, use the Windows key+L to lock your screen when stepping away from your computer. To view your clipboard history, press Windows key+V. This allows you to see and paste from your recent clipboard items. If you accidentally close a browser tab, don't worry. Ctrl+Shift+T will reopen the last closed tab.